This is a bike check on my Fit. Start from the top. I have the Animal Edwin De La Rosa grips. Cut the flanges off. Animal Boreans, plastic, hollow. I got the GT chrome handlebars. I think they're like 7 or 6 inch rise. Cause I broke my Easterns. Yeah, so whatever. Purple Haro stem. It's old as hell. I'm gonna get a Fit DLR maybe pretty soon. I don't know. I have Haro forks. Well, just to let you guys know, I used to have a Haro, so a lot of the parts are kind of gonna be Haro. So yeah, so they're Haro. Pretty light, durable, strong. Odyssey pad tire in the front, 2.10. See Odyssey. Haro hub, unsealed 14mm axle. Cut the axles because I don't use pegs, so I don't really care. White 22 rim, laced with white Haro spokes, painted them myself. Well, the whole bike's been painted by me. Fit sticker. Fit Trail 18 frame. In black. It's okay, but kind of heavy. Sticker they gave me. Can't ride for 2 weeks because I messed up my hip. So they gave me a sticker in the hospital. Mongoose clamp, C-clamp. Haro C-post. Demolition D-LITE rim. I mean C, fuck rim. Yeah, C. See. Stock Fit cranks, heavy as fuck. I want to get rid of them. Fit PC pedals, pretty good. I like them. See through, clear, whatever. Stock, fuck is that shit called? Sprocket, there you go. Sprocket, 25 tooth. White KMC chain. Thinking about getting a different chain, getting tired of the white. Yeah. Oh, Haro headset. Fucking car. Dirt tire. I do not know which one it is. It's a dirt. You can see it kind of gave, but fuck it. 1.95. Pretty grippy. Let's see what else. Odyssey Hazard light rim in purple. Painted myself, laced it, trued it. Same as the front. 10 tooth. 14mm axle. Hollow axle. Let me see. There you go. You see, hollow. Am I missing anything? Am I missing anything? Fuck. That's just about it. Alright. Tommy, comment, subscribe. It's up here. Subscribe over there. Comment down there. Rate right here. Alright. And so do your thing. Tell me what you think. What don't you like? What do you think I should change?